Welcome to this demo of Omni, the cutting-edge chat assistant coming soon to the Omnissa Platform. To get started, you click the Omni icon at the bottom corner of the screen. Omni shows some suggested questions, as well as a history of previous interactions. With Omni, you can ask questions about your environment. For example, if you need to know whether a device had any recent OS crashes, you can simply ask. Omni takes your natural language query and creates a chart with the information you are looking for. You can see that there have been a lot of recent crashes, so next, you can ask Omni if there were any recent OS updates on the device. Omni taps into the intelligence data lake, providing this info as well. But you can also go broader and look at your entire fleet. You can ask Omni to display data about all devices that had the same OS update and whether they had any crashes, and then see the information. But of course, you want to prevent these crashes from happening in the first place, and you can ask for help with this too. Omni has access to the extensive documentation for Omnissa products, so it can outline clear steps for you to resolve the issue. Here's another way of working with Omni. In the Workspace ONE Cloud Console, you can access Omni through a search bar at the top of the page. For example, you can ask another question about the OS versions in your environment. Omni takes you to a full-screen interface where data visualization takes center stage and provides the answer. The interface shows the data in a conversational view where you can ask a follow-up question. Or you can also go deeper by clicking the Open button on the chart, which takes you to the Data Explorer. In the Data Explorer, you can fine-tune your query to do further analysis. Now, here's one more scenario. In this example, users are having trouble accessing virtual desktops. Without leaving your workflow, you can ask Omni, why are users unable to launch VMs? Omni uses its knowledge of the Omnissa documentation and provides a short summary of the relevant information. In this case, it says that agent protocol errors can be the top issue. There's an option to click through to read the full documentation, or you can keep asking questions. For example, you can ask Omni to show launch errors grouped by error type. The data confirms that agent protocol errors are occurring. Next, you can ask how to fix them. Omni responds with another quick summary as well as a link to a KB article that can be used to do more troubleshooting. In this demo, you saw how Omni can help you get more value from the Omnissa platform by leveraging a full range of product knowledge. You also saw how Omni can help you get to data faster, leading to more efficient outcomes. Omni can surface data from across the Omnissa platform, helping you make data-driven decisions. We are excited for the many ways that Omni will help customers better provide smart, seamless, and secure digital workspaces.